kwa gym or shani hu su yi ni sa ne manioma no. Okay.
Or or he needs to dress better. Or
man and says ni hu dress yi.
He needs to pamper the woman more.
Be man no emu just on krokro ba no, de opa bi onyama no. Okay. Welcome back to Sethekow channel. You should be more. Andra me reaction be concerning Lady Odasui. Was say, Yankopo bomba no bomba say, ene memman de da. Ana oba o ha enisa wotena bema ba ko. Yeah. Na ebeto ho no me se nkofo bebre kire o madwene emba bebre bufuye. Na ya ma me bi nso tie no. Was send audio aba na sa audio no ye bae no and me pese ye breaking it down to me sa oba so a yesua de ye pensen eye ensemu first other channel we so a like video ya o share ma woni bi na ono nso enye den emesua ade ye ne e wa ha abusianfo moma yenti eye ye maame no.
Good evening, Brother Seth. I've just seen a video of yours that you've posted. So there's this woman who is saying that women are naturally polygamous. I am so irritated and annoyed.
In fact, ama ne buofu pa o share ye we no na ne buofu yi because oba bia onya sa de ne bia no wote pa bu befu because na sa ba yo we so finfa. You understand? Obi a wonya sa de ne bia obu hu bia no wote asem na okeka na obu befu. What you say?
By this woman. Maybe she is the one that is polygamous. Cheating is not in the DNA of a woman. Cheating is a choice. It is a conceived thought and carried out at the expense of a relationship which is now devalued. Women are not naturally promiscuous.
Me say, emba by nature no. Omontesa, what you say? Emba by nature, omone mranti and the rough. Abode fiti asiem no na fiti ye de oba ya mamre mu kra na what you say oba ya mamre mu kra na oba e fro aketesia o kata ohwesi na ye be yi wa kire bema. That's the meaning of aketesia. Aketesia nya dressing and wa hihye more o tika mu na nya no nya aketesia.
Women make themselves promiscuous.
It's the my person change say emba na mo ye omo say omo ya shawufu by nature no enye sa robete.
Why is she using a quote from the Bible?
Ya ma me bisa say e die nti no wo fa Bible na wo yi quote ni bi no di nsamfun wo de keka nkwasiesem. What you say?
As woman being a weaker vessel to support her argument or statement.
Nti ma me bisa say die nti na wo so fa sa statement ni say emba ye mre na odi gina sa eye e support e narrative no.
Of course, she would do so because it's baseless.
Ma me so be because nyansa bia nya de enimu. E kwan bi say na me can video me say this is how sa four teachers ni use the same Bible na de dada mo no.
And it doesn't hold water. I mean, her statements don't hold water at all.
I may say, and some like a cananyansa be enimu.
And why shouldn't the man leave but accommodate a cheating woman? Why?
Dear mammy, bisa say, a dear auntie, and I was a bear man, any so would jai or bar cra, while warrena or bana fahum, and a bema for a quackwada. What you say? Dear auntie, and on question saw bana. You understand?
Why? Is it because the man thinks the woman would change? Why would a man want to be berated or disrespected in that way? Is she the only woman? No, cheating is not in our DNA. Why would you advise that a man goes into his prayer closet and asks for the spirit of endurance?
It's my Miss Ekow say, or say a DNT, and a brandy and so sanya my whistle. Or Barbie say a bone, a new DNA mu say, and then man the daddy that a new Barbie amujemu. Nadia Swinty and our barb and Tebecca say. Emrantie enkwehye edemu no mom payema oba no why na adwene so on emrantie ebeda ade enti for what reason some no akeka na nyansa bia enim.
Why would God answer such a prayer when adultery is a sin?
What you say dia ba ade nti Yankopon ebesoso sam paye we so abra ware seye Yankopon echiwade.
She advises that the man should look at himself. Perhaps he needs to work out.
Obobo niam bi so say abrantia na nhwe ne ho yi o make sure say ko gym o hwe ne ho so yi ni sa niam no. Okay.
Or or he needs to dress better. Or
man and say ne ho dress yi.
He needs to pamper the woman more.
No, just on crocrobano, the baby on Yamano. Okay.
Are those what should be looked at to prevent cheating? So, what happened to character? What happened to respect? What?
Yeah, my baby say, if anything, your man a question, subine, a buono, a fine, a coffin, a himfan. What you say?
Happened to faithfulness, responsibility, trust.
And your mammy boss na ye neoma a war our dear mu. What you say? Ubia what I said, dear. Ubu. What you say? Brassier. And say be faithful to your partners, no, a fine himfan. Yea.
Maturity, self-control.
Maturity say nipa ne benyini ewa adwene mu self control and say obetuma hye wo so nini na efa
self-discipline
na discipline. What you say? Discipline. Ete de bia me ye video me catch am so woni obi wo relationship na nipa no echi a I was so jai nipa no because I nipa na why sergeant wo ware wi sa no beye whether so your bar so we bema the moment I nipa no be sergeant no run for your life journey because sa no be after wadia no sa no be den obeye yaka ehwo asama aka na se wenti na kware nipa ni wi na ba abonte be play victim dey a obi na obehu mobo because ope na kware sa nipa no what you say.
Should we not be looking at these? Why would any man that is being cheated on approach the other guy his woman is cheating with?
And some kind of nyansa bie ni mu say me be man na mate ache me yere say me yere no e fa me chi no me san so nko be man ho be man no no ne me yere na cheat no ana agbo edwama na maya ware say no me san so nko abrantie ne ho enkonko bisa no enioma me mesue fi ne ho abema oba chese nyansa bie nim bia meka omo soro mo de mba e compare emrantie epono a wo ho no se epono safo bia remu a yese epono no e cheap but safo na wo no ewura do bia mu na setumi bia ye friend master key e be na mebu ana meka asem bi se abrantie betumi ne mba 1000 ada be ma betumi nyin se mba 1000 per year. What you say? But oba benin send once a year. Fa compare. You don't wanna fa compare. mono eto de bia ya nkofo bi kasa ya na ase nsuo ne gina egina omutrim nsuo ene egina omutrim.
For tips on how to be treating his woman.
Sama me kan no na ma me ne kan no. Sa me muma ye me sa abon me nsan so nko nipa no ho enkopa ne che no nkire me niam a me ye abema oba no aka
No man does this. Which planet does this woman live on?
Planet Ben and as I lead the way of Frimu.
Is that why she believes that men lack emotional intelligence?
And no. And then now, am I episode says, Nintina, I occasion am rantier any say, omutumi control me emotions, Tiana.
And lack intellectual capacity to build anything with a woman?
And that video I hear or say, I'm ranting in me answer. I don't know. And any they say, oh, I'm ranting, sorry. The Bobano, I know what thing.
It really beats my mind.
Easy.
We should all remember that you can do everything and be the best you can be, and a woman can still cheat.
I don't know. The end of the kind video, it say, about Buffer Witchy, or Pacha with Timano. So we knew I want to swap. We knew Uncle Passam, just where idea, or Buffer Witchy or Buffer Witchy. That's the thing. Or Buffer Witchy, or Buffer Witchy. Opa, Kosroka from or Buffer Witchy or Buffer Witchy. What I say, aha. So I can just add and me say, Udoko shame more issue. And Steve Walker's shows up. Yet in Baswa, test in the Baswa. Bones a moon 90% and grinding on Papa. And no, why more? Say, they say, walk what I and check and brano, yet and yam rano. It is serious, yes.
So, men, my advice to you is when a woman cheats, you leave. Do not compromise. And the same goes to my woman.
As I am American, say we are brand here. What relationship mo? Let's say Obana efa wuchia ko. Fanabon channel, but an interview. Because they say cheating is the lowest disrespect I'll be to me. I am a actually whether Obana bema. Because the moment I will be cheating when the panels, they say, won't penny view. Many that's how I see it. Penny because open and be for what you say.
When a man cheats, you leave. You don't compromise.
I don't know. So your banso. Na be ma fa wuchi akọ. Ko.
Because cheating is a choice.
Cheating is a choice. And I may hear an experiment. No? It goes through 13 or 14 steps and some of them more take place. John can say, and one thing led to another. Obey and Kauji Asumbo. And it just happened. Nothing just happened in this world.
If a woman loves you, she would not cheat. So, tonight, I leave you with something to think about. Ask the woman this question. Why?
Yeah, man, maybe beside questions. I say, who share about your brand and who share about beside questions we. Number 1,
do you love me?
Question didn't kind and say, what do me na? We catch him rant and down our mess. I'm a WhatsApp group and we say, you're done your word. Obi di na no be catch us odo, but ne ye ni na no emfeti to asam na okan no. And I always say, look at body language and not words. You can listen to words, but don't mind the words. Look at the language, body language, Because we are smarter, say the body language, what I say, body language, any words, you will be smart.
Have a great night.
Your my question or the buy and say, Bisoban say, why do you love me? And I'm a second question, and then I'm a Chametana Medina doing a buy. Bisoban say, I'm ranting away shiny now, the bad internal propose here or accept here. To these two questions: 1, do you love me? 2, why do you love me? 3, what you say? Why did you accept my proposal? Because mu bi no, mu John the Baptist, ya prepare mu ama Yesu Kristo aiden aba. Mu bi no mehwe mba bi ama honest nankasa no, the living legends nankasa be den aba befa. In fact, and I share video we no me say me dwaye me tiase. Yeah, me ni so okasa opposite. Obeso reverse a script no. Oba Jimmy Phobi enso behwe. No akwaye na wadi egu. Oba Jimmy Phobi ebe akwaye no lose a good man. We are no ba betena say emema papa ni na we hemfa. Odie some na abani na no odie tugu na hwe de ebede ebeto. Yankopon hyira mu ni na ye besan so hia bio. Peace. Shalom.